To load datasets into Python for analysis with pandas, you'll primarily use its read functions. For common formats like CSV, you use PD, read_CSV, providing the file path. Similarly, PD, read_Excel, handles Excel files, and PD, read_SQL, connects to databases. For illustration, let's load the popular tips dataset, a classic for data analysis examples. This dataset, containing information about restaurant tips, is conveniently available through the Seaborn library. First, ensure you have both pandas and Seaborn imported. Then, loading it is straightforward. Simply call !tips_df equals SNS, load_dataset. Tips. This command directly downloads and creates a pandas data frame named tips_df. Now, your data is loaded and ready for immediate exploration and analysis within Python. This script demonstrates a common method for loading a dataset into a pandas data frame, utilizing the Seaborn library, which bundles several illustrative datasets. The example then performs initial steps to inspect the loaded data, providing a quick overview of its structure and content. This process is fundamental for any data analysis workflow in Python using pandas.
The initial lines import the pandas library, aliased as PD, for data manipulation, and the Seaborn library, aliased as SNS, specifically to access its built-in sample datasets. The !SNS, load_dataset, tips, function directly fetches the tips dataset, a widely used sample for statistical analysis, and stores it into a pandas data frame named tips_df. This method simplifies data acquisition for standard datasets.
Following the data loading, print tips_df head outputs the first 5 rows of the data frame, providing an immediate visual inspection of the data's format and column names. The tips_df.info method then prints a concise summary of the data frame, including the number of entries, column names, non-null counts per column, and their respective data types, which is essential for assessing data completeness and structure. Finally, tips_df describe generates descriptive statistics for all numerical columns, offering insights into central tendency, dispersion, and shape of the distribution for key variables.